After his hand's cut off and he looks defeated, the other guy says, I am your father. Boom. Blew my mind. And of course Luke is confused and thinks he's lying. I don't understand why Obi didn't tell him. He could have.
What's the name of that movie again?
Star Wars, Episode 4.
What's the other ones like?
This is the first one they made. I don't know why they called it Episode 4.
Anyone got the time? Have Zach and Dougie showed up yet?
I ain't seen them yet, but y'all better hurry up. They're right behind you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're working on the Greenway for the Metro Nashville Water. I need everyone to be careful because the hills are steep and it's hard to see your footing right now. It's going to be a hot one too. So everyone drink plenty of water. The vegetation is grass, weeds, and kudzu mostly. Any questions?
Hey, what's that squirrel doing behind you?
Squirrel? Where? Everyone, get to work.
I can tell you it's gonna be a long day. I don't know why you made Dougie look for that squirrel. He's gonna be upset all day now.
That's lunch. We take being eco-friendly very seriously. We're providing a natural way to cut down vegetation and keep normally unkept areas looking good. We don't use gas except to get to the sites. Sheep are very effective, but rarely we use sheep because Zach's too lazy to use a lawnmower. But seriously, we love doing this. There's nothing else like it. We bring the country to the city. I handle the sheep and keep them focused, and Zach answers the phone and transports us. I'm not sure how much I would need him if I had thumbs instead of paws, but it's all worth it when I see someone on the Greenway path stop to watch us work. And knowing we're helping to eliminate kudzu from this area warms my heart. Hey, you two, get back to work. Slackers,